boys and girls, we're going to be unboxing an educational toy today called My Little Workshop, and it's for children 18 months plus. Okay. Ooh, a brand new box. Wow, colorful. Oh my goodness, this looks so cute. For those little guys who want to become an engineer. Wants to build things. Let me get that. Let's see here. Here we go. Oh, aren't you excited to see this, boys and girls? Look at that. Whoa. I have to turn it on right here, boys and girls. And this is, oh, look at that. That's a saw. And this is a drill. You can hear it drilling. Okay, here's the tools here. We have the wrench. We have the hammer. We're going to be hammering things. Do you hear it? Hammering, boys and girls? And then I have a screwdriver for screwing things. Let's look inside this. Oh, here is a clamper thing. And what's in this little box down here? Oh, do you know what this is, boys and girls? That's a circle. So here on our little toolbox, we look up here and there's a circle. Drop it in.
Circle.
Oh, it even says it when it goes down. What is this, boys and girls? Let's see if we can match it. See, you gotta match it with these shapes here, these shape holes. And I think it goes right there. And
triangle.
See if it's correct. It'll even say it. Say its name. Now we have a blue. What is that? That is a blue heart, isn't it? Let's see. Let's see which one looks like this. Either.
Heart.
Oh, perfect. A heart. And our last one is a red. What is that, boys and girls? It's a red square. And
Square.
I'm going to open up this little drawer down here again and pull out these different shapes so you can learn the color, the letter of the alphabet, and the shape. What letter do you see here? On the triangle, the purple triangle, letter A. Here's our circle. It has a letter B on it, and what color do we have here? Yellow. After B comes the letter C. And what did we say this was? This is a square. And what color is it? It is a red square. Very good. Our last shape is a heart. What letter's on the heart? A D. And what color is our heart? Blue, yes. Here's the colors. Purple, yellow, red, blue. What is the shape? Triangle, circle, square, heart. And our letters of the alphabet? A, B, C, D. Great job! Give yourself a hand! Boys and girls, can you say all the letters of the alphabet with me? Let's do it. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Great! I'm going to drop this ball up here and let's see what happens. Oh, it changes it to a different song. Let's try it again. That's Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. Let me try this down here.
2.
Oh, it's going to the numbers. Maybe the numbers has to do with the
3.
song.
4.
It's Old MacDonald. On his farm he had some ducks. are different songs. So you're going to learn your numbers too, boys and girls, from 1 to 5. This is a fantastic educational toy, and it's for 18 months plus. That's unboxing educational toys, and I'll see you the next time. You are smarter!